If you're an Indian expat living in UK, 2026 is shaping the crucial year for your finances. Three massive regulatory changes are converging that could cost you thousands in fine. If you're unprepared, we are talking about HMRC getting direct access to your side hustle income, or a server crackdown on a mode fraud that could take your car off the road, and the strict enforcement of TV licensing. Ignorance is not a valid defense. Today, I am going to talk about all those changes so that we can protect your hard earned money. Welcome back. Many of us in this country are balancing our main job, a side hustle, and family obligation is just a part of life. But regulatory landscape in British is shifting. The government is using better technology to close the tax gap and improve the safety. So whether you are selling goods online or driving a used car or just streaming cricket on your laptop, these rules apply on you. So let's straight dive into the biggest financial impact, the new tax transparency rules. So the first one, let's talk about the tax on your side hustle income. For many years, people have treated online selling as their extra money to send to home or to use it for their holidays. However, the side hustle tax rule has tightened. Now, if you sell anything on the online platforms like Vinted, eBay, or anything that you're selling online and getting money from there, you will have to directly report it to HMRC. Here is the rule that you must know. You have trading allowance of £1,000 per tax year. If your total revenue, not profit, but total revenue from casual exceeds £1,000, then you must register for self assessment. You cannot hide this anymore. If you have earned £1,500 on that platform and you have not declared it, HMRC will instantly flag it. Furthermore, looking ahead to April 6, 2026, a new rule called Making Tax Digital kicks in. So, if you are a sole trader or a landlord with a total income of £50,000, then you will be forced to keep it digital and give a quarterly update to HMRC. If you fall under this bracket, start looking for a compatible software or you risk high non compatible penalties. Now, let's talk about the vehicle. The DVSA have already launched a server crackdown on Jan 9, 2026. How this will impact you? This isn't just about the test itself, it is about the integrity of the garage. The DVSA is targeting the ghost mode. So if you have ever used a friendly machine that cuts the corner, be very, very careful. The new regulation introduced good repute tests. Why does this matter to you? Because if DVSA catches garage issuing fraudulent mod, they can cancel the representative mod and this will add points on your driving license. So make sure you are not doing any kind of this mistake. Now moving on to the third one. Finally, we need to address this common misconception amongst the Indian expats for the TV licensing. There is a myth that if you have a TV and you're not watching BBC on it and you're just watching Indian channels, then you do not have to pay for the license. This is false. The fee is approximately £174.50 to be precise. The law is very clear. If you watch or record any live TV channel or if you use BBC iPlayer, you must have the license. This includes streaming live reports, live matches like IPL, watching live news from India on YouTube, or using any app on your phone. It does not matter if the device is laptop, TV, or your mobile phone. If it is live, you need a license. The fine for invasion is up to £1,000. And please, please, please do not assume that they cannot track the digital usage. If you're watching any live content, please pay to avoid a criminal record. To summarize, 2026 is about transparency. If you're using TV, watching any live news, make sure to have a license. Ensure your car is tested at a legitimate garage to avoid any fraud crackdowns. and check your side hustle income. Don't let a simple oversight threaten your visa status or your bank safe. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.